First type is the engine code reader, most simple OBD2 scanner. It works only for your engine control modules. So as we were talking that car have more control modules, this will scan only the engine. However, most of the codes will be in the engine anyway, and they are cheap and they are easiest to use. You don't have any connection issues, you just plug the wire and it will scan your car instantly. You will not have to wait for a few minutes like with some other tools. Then we have these multi-system scanners that is basically really similar to code reader. Only difference is that scanner like this will be able to access more control modules, and that is usually transmission, airbag and ABS. Then you have scan tools. Scan tools will let you access each control module and also give you a bunch of other functionality like bidirectional testing, so you can give your car different commands. You can test different electrical systems, you can do service procedures like this maintenance, see you can do throttle adaptation, oil reset, airbag reset. You have these service functions needed for servicing newer vehicles, and with some of them you can do even ECU coding, so unlocking hidden features of your vehicle. Another type is Bluetooth adapter. Usually they pair with your smartphone. This exact one can actually work for a laptop as well. Now the Bluetooth adapters are my personal favorites as they can have really good value for the money paid, and they are also small, so they are easy to carry around, and you can use them with bunch of different software. You are not limited just to one. Another type is laptop OBD scanner. Also they can have really good value for the money, but the downside is you will have to get laptop. I don't recommend using your main laptop because you can get it damaged easily. I mean, in the garage you can see how the laptop can get damaged, and also a lot of this diagnostic software come from AliExpress, and to install a lot of them you have to disable your antivirus, and you don't want to risk that with your main computer. Then you also have these different hybrid types. Now technically this is Bluetooth scanner because it works on your smartphone, but funny thing is that this little box paired with your smartphone can actually do more than this professional scan tool. If you would ask me what is the one best scanner I can recommend, best value for money, definitely think the Act 2, but I also have separate review for that and you can also find it in description.